Hello guys, hope doing well. I have several videos to measure voltage with 6 to 8 digits after that, and today I try with AD1015 analog digital converter. It's a 16 bit, it's a 12 bit, and I tried to use the 8780 as a voltage compare. You should know that this analog digital converter coming without any reference pin, so I use the last analog pin A3 as voltage reference, and the calculations going over this pin input, and finally I'm sending the result to the OLED and Arduino. Let's take a look to the code. So the thing that we should know about code is how I try to use the voltage reference. The ADC number 3, as I told you, is the pin that connected to the 8780, and the variable name is myref as my reference, and always the voltage is 2.5 volt. This is one of the best ICs and it's stable, and I'm dividing this voltage to the number coming from analog pin number 3. The number is 0.003W, but it's dependent to the temperature, to the Arduino situation, to the main source power voltage, and a lot of other items. But when the analog pin number 3 show the exact voltage, we are able to measure the voltage from analog pin number 3 much better and with exact number. So you can see I'm connecting you can see that the analog pin number 0 is connected to my power source. This is 3.9495, and here is 3.947. This is 3 digits, and I have 8 digits. I'm trying to adjust the power supply voltage. Starting from 1.2545. This is my power ADC converter, AC to DC converter, and I'm going to start from 3 volts. Three 5.4 is the maximum voltage that I'm able to measure because I didn't have the voltage divider. But we should know the 12-bit ADC with external voltage reference will make amazing voltmeter with Arduino. I have one more video about LTC 24020 bit analog digital converter at 2420. This is also 20 volt 20-bit analog digital converter, and I will try to solder the ADS 1015 and analog reference to the shield and make it as voltmeter in pretty teeny box. Thanks for watching. I will try to make one more video about 32-bit analog digital converter, and I'm looking for the IC to do this. Thanks for watching and goodbye.